All right, guys, so we've done most of these minerals. The last one is this particular mineral. And if I could get the camera come to look at this one. The smoking gun for this particular mineral, in most cases, it's going to be the salmon color. It's not pink, it's not peach, it's salmon. But the way that you test this is just like any other way. So let's test the hardness of that mineral. No, not harder than glass. What is it not?
Is it not quartz?
Not quartz. What else can it be? Cool, let's try the acid.
Yeah. No,
No, what is it not?
it is not. Calcite?
Calcite. Let's go ahead and block that. All right, so it's not harder than glass. It's not effervescent. What it is potassium feldspar. Potassium feldspar is used as a cleaner. It's that stuff that you guys use to clean sinks and tubs with. What would be the ideal hardness of a cleaner that you use to clean tubs with? What I'd like you to do is scratch the calcite.
Oh yeah.
Does it scratch the calcite?
Yeah, it does.
Absolutely, right? So we have something that is harder than calcite, but softer than glass. What do you guys think that white scummy stuff on your sink is made of?
Calcite?
Calcite! Good answer. So we have a mineral that is harder than calcite, but softer than glass. So it'll remove the calcite from your sink, but not scratch the glass or porcelain that it's made of. So this is a really good example of a mineral having a physical property that makes it very desirable as a specific industrial use. Most of these minerals we've gone over have that specific property. Not always does it correspond with its smoking gun, but a lot of times it does. So what I hope you guys have learned during this exercise is that we have lots of minerals that can be mistaken for each other, but with careful testing, you're able to easily identify them. And what makes them identifiable is the same thing that is used in industry, makes them useful for what they're used for in industry. So that is about it for this particular lesson, and move on to the quiz, and then move on to next week's material.